this is our filler. So we put in our filler, push it down in there. Hi guys, look at this fun conveyor belt we have with our fun Play-Doh friend. And we have Skye and Chase here to help.
Hi little earthlings, it's me, Marty the Martian, and I'm going to help get some teeth for our fun Play-Doh head.
Oh, thanks Marty. So we're gonna get all of our teeth from our conveyor belt. All right, are you guys ready?
I'm ready. Zim, zam, shabam.
Look at all of those teeth that just popped right in. Oh, that means we can put some on our fun Play-Doh man. Let's put some teeth in his mouth. Here we go, look. Look at all of these teeth. There, look at all those. Okay, now we're gonna need some more. Let's pop some more in. Come on, Marty, we need your help.
Okay, let's do a little surprise. Zim, zam, shabam.
Whoa, what just happened? Did you see that? Instead of white teeth, we got all colored teeth. Whoa, colored teeth? Where'd that come from? I think Marty wanted to be a little funny and show you a surprise. So let's put this teeth on our fun Play-Doh man. Here's an orange tooth. Another little orange tooth. Here's a red tooth. Another red. And we got some yellow teeth. Here's a green tooth. And one more white one. There, look at all those funny colors of teeth we have. Oh no. Let's make some room for him so he can close his mouth. Ow! My teeth smell like candy. What? You have candy teeth? This is so fun. Okay, now we need to do some dentist work on our Play-Doh head. Are you ready? Here's our brusher. Brush, 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 brush. Gotta get the front and the bottoms and the back. There, that's a pretty good brushing.
Very good job brushing. Good job, Paw Patrol. Look at our fun Play-Doh head's teeth.
These teeth are so fun. I love the dentist. The dentist is super fun. But it looks like in one of our new teeth we have a cavity. So let's fill it in. First we gotta drill out the cavity. And then this is our filler. So we put in our filler, push it down in there. And then we gotta take the extra off, push it down in. There, and there's our filled up cavity. Let's do another one up on this green one. Let's get that cavity out. Whoa, 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 that was a deep one. We're gonna need a little bit more white Play-Doh to fill it in. Oh, there we go, look, that was the perfect amount. Now we fix that green tooth. Thanks you guys so much. I love the dentist. Okay, that was fun finding all of your teeth and fixing them all up for you, Play-Doh head. Good job, Paw Patrol.
That was so fun. That was a fun little surprise with the colored teeth too. Now, let's see what's going to happen next.
Oh, Look at all of this bath paint. Oh my goodness, this is so much. Whoa, who's that? There's another one. That one's Chase, Ryder, Zuma, and Robo-Dog. Look who we're playing with today. We have all of these squirty water heads. Whoa! Let's fill them all up with water. Okay, look. Let's watch Skye squirt her water. Wow! All of our Paw Patrol are here today because they need to get a bath. So let's help all of our Paw Patrol take some baths. But first, we need to get some soap in here. Doo, doo, doo.
Hi, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. You guys are gonna have so much fun playing with this bath soap. Just 1 second. Here it is. Zim, zam, shabam.
Ooh, it looks like he's gonna give us some bath paint. Oh, look at all of this bath paint. Oh my goodness, this is so much. Okay, let's open it up and see which colors we find. Our first color is Tickle Me Pink. Oh, there it is. Let's squirt Ty with Tickle Me Pink. Ooh, there she is. She's all ready to be scrubbed up. Let's see what other color we have. We have Vivid Violet. Let's squirt this on Robo-Dog. Robo-Dog! And our next color is Lemon Yellow. This one can go on Ryder and Zuma. We also have Radical Red. Radical Red's going to go on Marshall. And then our last color we have is Pacific Blue. That's going right on Chase. There's all of our bath paint. Now we need to scrub them up with our special toothbrush. Whoa! Here's our Marshall toothbrush. Let's scrub her up. We're gonna clean Skye first. Look how pink Skye is. There we go. Now let's clean up Robo-Dog. He has purple bath paint all over. We're using our special cleaning brush. There. Now let's do Zuma. Zuma has his lemon yellow, so he has yellow to be cleaned with. He's all brushed up. Now let's do Marshall. He got red all over. This is such a good scrub brush, Marshall. There, look. Now let's do Chase. Chase, scrubby, scrub, scrub, dub. And now our last one is Ryder. Ryder had yellow. Now I think they're all clean. And there's our cool brush, just cleaning them all up. Now we need to help rinsing them all off. Let's see, Skye. Let's get your help. Skye's all filled up with water. So let's see, who should we have Skye spray? Let's have her spray Marshall. Here we go. Spray all of the red off. Look how clean Marshall looks now. Now let's have her rinse off Chase. Get all the blue off Chase. There, look how clean he is. Now Chase can help rinse people off. Let's have Chase rinse off Robo-Dog. There we go. Ryder looks pretty much all clean. Let's rinse off Zuma with Ryder. And then with Zuma, let's rinse off Skye and we'll be done. There we go, look. All of our clean Paw Patrol now. That was a fun bath, you guys.
Okay, little Earthlings, that's it for this story. But now, let's see what's going to happen next. Hi, guys! Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim, zam, shabam! Oh, look! Here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.